Pronunciation of difficult words, Part 2. Involuntary, bush, evenly, failings, obsession, obsessive, impatient, unwanted, sundry, accountants, cubicle, glistening, refuted, sugarcoat, equanimity, constantly, matriculate, employers, stairs, conscientious, conversed, brisk, exaggerated, channels, vague, cheapness, Anglo, facial, sleeping, palpitate, reeled, hurriedly, packets, greeting, grades, bosses, rushing, rocked, instinctively, deliberation, monotony, sweating, pout, intuitive, stained, expressed, employed, promotions, stretched, clustered, surmise, behests, matriculates, realizing, ticking, detached, enthusiastic, mended, lessened, astray, demon, preferred, reprimand, concentrated, curl, capered, toppy, pickle, accomplished, eagerness, presentation, thrice, smartly, caper, salute, endorsed, please, cauldron, accepting, throwing, counseled, gossip, unsure, damn, members, heave, pronouncing, moments, broader, dizziness, faded, clerks, reprimanded, impetuously, fetch, confectioner, bickerings, vastness, pretended. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.